This time of the year, a lot of my patients are presenting with dry and itchy scalp. And there are two common mistakes that they're actually making. First, some patients are only washing their hair once a week. They think that by washing only once a week, they're actually being more gentle to their hair and preventing damage from overwashing. The problem with going so long between washes is that the yeast that tends to cause dandruff can overgrow and it can build up over the course of a week. So it's actually better to wash, I'd say minimum 2 or 3 times a week for the health of your scalp. The second common mistake I see are patients who are letting their hair air dry. So same thought is that you're trying to avoid heat styling in order to be gentler to the hair fiber. But letting that moisture sit on your scalp for hours and hours can also feed the yeast that causes dandruff. So if anything, it's important to do some towel drying or even some light blow drying to your roots. So making sure you're washing your hair often enough and not letting your hair air dry are actually really important tips for the health of your scalp.